Another helicopter. Said we've been getting a whole lot of these lately over the last 3 days. Before that would be just search and rescue police, the orange one. Now there's all these helicopters. 2 of them I got briefly yesterday, along with a V-22 the day before. I don't know, I just think it's interesting. There's a lot more activity with these things. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video. I need some supporters just to like my channel and subscribe so I can get the news out. That's all I am. I'm free. I'm free to everybody. I'm just here to educate and pass on the news to what I see. Clear night sky, no clouds. Let's see. Okay, thanks. It's sunset, so it's about 7:45 here. Thanks. See ya.